This is my RCA CC310 VHS camcorder. This is a really older camera right here. Just thought I'd do a little video on it. It doesn't have a battery to it because, you know, it used to charge for a very long time and it didn't seem to work all that well, so I just kept this for special memories. Like my parents had this, like my Nana, my papa had this old sucker for quite a long time, and so did my great-gran. Had it. And here's the front of it. See here, got the lens. And this little red record button just comes right on. So when you're recording, here's your microphone right here. There's this other side. RCA camcorder VHS. And this is where you put in the cassette right here if you just want to record a movie or something like that. Like maybe if you're going to a ball game or people have the school play or graduation, you can take it to your wedding, or if someone has a birthday party, you can record so if you can look back and remember it. Yeah, you know, and all that stuff, blah blah blah. There's this holder where you put your hand through. Like when you hold the camcorder like this, you can see through this viewfinder. Let's set her down. It's such a big sucker, you know. And it's pretty heavy, you know. Whoa, don't fall. Wait, here you got your controls. Here's your power. But since the power doesn't work, you just don't have any battery attached to this. There's your pause button if you want to pause your video, and there's a stop to completely stop the video, and fast forward, rewind, and play button. There's the mode to where you can switch it to. You can switch this from playback mode if you want to take a video or picture. You can slide it all the way here to camera mode. play back, just do that. Eject, but this needs to be powered to have this open. But I know you guys can't see the inside really, but I can show you if I can find find a screwdriver. Here, I'll just put the camera down real quick so I can look. Sorry, people, I can't find a screwdriver right here to unscrew this screw and that screw, but anywho, that's all we have for this video right here. Oh, one more thing to show you. Here's the zoom in and zoom out slider and red record and pause button. Battery clicker. Well, that's all you have for now for this video. Hope you all liked it. So, peace out.